Hello everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 24, Substances, Objects and Energy. Let us understand how substances are formed. See students, in the image, here pounding pieces of coal is done. That is, when you pound the coal, pound means what? Means crushing the coal. When the coal is crushed, it turns into a powder, which you can see the crushing is done in the second vessel. When crushing is done, at last what you get? The fine powder of coal, right? That is, all substances we see around us are made up of very tiny particles. All the substances like pencil, chalk, paper, wood, wheat grains, iron, copper, coal are all made up of fine particles. Now, after crushing the coal, we got the coal powder. Now, even after I crush the coal powder also, I'll get more fine powder. I can go on crushing and crushing. I will get finer and finer powder. So, these substances are made up of many tiny particles. These tiny particles are so small that they are not visible to our eyes. So, when these small tiny particles which are not visible to us, when more number of such small particles in lakhs of numbers, such particles of any substance, when come together, they form a object which is visible to us. Here also you can see that how sawdust or particles of wood fly when the wood is cut with the saw. While he is cutting with the saw, the powder is falling, the sawdust is falling downside. Similarly, while grinding, this you have seen. While grinding also, when you put the seeds inside the grinder, when it is grinded, what you get? You get small particles. So that is, when iron or copper is made smooth with a file, you get small particles of iron or copper. So now you can understand that all the solid particles are made up of, or all the solid substances are made up of tiny particles. Look at the image, children. Here the raindrops that fall on the lake and on the road bounce off back and break up into droplets. These droplets are also made up of tinier particles of water. They make us wet. It means that liquids are also made up of small tiny particles. You can imagine here also by seeing that when small water droplets fall in the lake, in the image shown, they are getting combined and making water. That is, these tiny water droplets falling from the sky are combining together and forming lake, which they are getting combined with the lake, you can see. So that is, liquids are also made of small particles. Let us see what is naphthalene. Everyone has seen these naphthalene balls. You have seen your mother keeping in the clothes, in the suitcase. Such balls you have seen, white color, which are kept, which give some good smell for the clothes. Yes, that is called as naphthalene. These balls are called as naphthalene balls. Okay. Naphthalene is continuously being converted into small particles in gaseous state. So let us understand this. When your mother keeps this naphthalene ball inside the clothes, what it happens after a few days when you open the clothes and see, these naphthalene balls have got in small size. That is, they slowly reduce. What happens with them? How they are reducing? Because these naphthalene balls directly convert themselves into gaseous state once when they are kept in open space. Such small particles from the ball settle on the clothes. What happens is the particles coming out of the balls are settling on the clothes. So the clothes too smell of naphthalene. That is, all the particles leave the naphthalene balls and the balls grow smaller in size and slowly disappear. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.